The bridge to tomorrow. The ancient Prachinamaina bridge stood as a symbol of contraction, sankocham, taggimpu, its crumbling, chirigipotunna, structure representing a diminution, taggimpu, hrasam, of the town's collective spirit. For the people of the valley, its loss became a perpetual aggravation, nirantarak shobha, asahanam, which only served to intensify, Tivram Cheyuta, their sense of isolation. They watched in despondency, Nirutsaham, Nirasha, as plans for a new bridge seemed to falter, Tadabaduta, Agipovuta. One twilight, beneath an adjacent, Pakkana Unna, oak tree in close proximity, Samipam, Daggara, to the riverbank, a young engineer named Alara arose. This remoteness, Duram, Viraham, we endure, this separate existence from opportunity, ends tonight, she proclaimed. We cannot allow our resources to disperse, Chellachadaruga kavuta. We must amass Kudadisukonuta, Samakurchuta, our materials, congregate, Samuhamuga cherchuta, our strength, and collect, Sekarinchuta, our courage. Her foremost task was to alleviate, Tagginchuta, Upasamimpajeyuta, the community's fears. She presented a design to mitigate, Samimpajeyuta, Takkuva Cheyuta, the river's force and abate, Santimpajeyuta, Tagginchuta, their anxieties. She knew that hesitation could only augment, Penchuta, Vistarinchuta, their hardships, yet her determination remained steadfast. An elder, Cobbin, felt compelled to admonish, Hitabodhana Cheyuta, Mandalinchuta, her. I must counsel, Salaha Ivuta, you against this arrogance, he said with a stern voice. I reprove, Dushinchuta, Tappupattuta, this venture and chastise, Sikshinchuta, Gaddinchuta, such recklessness. His words contained no flattery, Chakiri Matalu, Pogattalu, only severe truths. Alara, however, listened with respect but did not crave his approval. She knew that waiting for adulation Atipogattalu, Bhaktipurvaka Vandanalu, would mean never commencing. She resolved to amplify, Penchuta, Vistarinchuta, their message. A small team was insufficient. They needed to extend, Vistarinchuta, their reach, elevate, Yettu Cheyuta, Paikittuta, their vision, and create a dilatation, Vistruti, Vistarana, of hope across the entire community. Their determination did not diminish, Taggipovuta, even when the winter winds howled. Gradually, they witnessed their efforts accumulate, Kudagattuta, Samakurchuta. They refused to dissipate, Vrudha Cheyuta, Vyarthaparachuta, their energy or squander their funds. Step by step, they transformed the aloofness, Verupatu, Duranga Unduta, of the opposite shore into proximity, Samipam. From his distant hilltop, Cobbin observed, his initial skepticism Anumanam, Sandeham, evolving into admiration Aradhana, Prasamsa. On the day the main arch was secured, he descended in, to the astonishment of all, began to applaud. I was mistaken, he confessed. Your labor merits praise, not my censure, Tappupattuta, Vimarsha. The new bridge transcended mere land connection. It united their spirits. What began as a fragile dream was, through unity and perseverance, amplified, Vistarimpabadinadi, Penchabadinadi, into a monumental reality. Prepare the slides with large font size in landscape layout. Do not add or delete any word.